Hi, welcome to Sri J classes, and today here I am just going to give you a new practice set, that is practice set 2. In practice set 2 you have to just learn how to stretch favorite newspaper and its importance. Favorite newspaper you have to choose according to your own choice, and here I have taken Times of India. So Times is a very popular newspaper, and in market this is the most popular, and everybody like it because of its trust and its news quality, and very easily it can be provided everywhere, and its edition is also available in many cities, many metro cities and some small cities also. So very easily it can be got. And if you talk about the importance of newspaper, so really newspaper is very important, and because of its price and because of its availability, we can say this is the cheapest one thing which is useful in our daily life. And how can we just improve our knowledge, how can we just get awareness? So newspaper is the best medium for these all the things. And here in topic point wise we have taken, so Times of India is the favorite newspaper and the best newspaper in market, and number of pages according to the day wise, number of pages are just changing, but many times we are getting 12, 14 and 16 pages. Some extra pages are also in with this newspaper, so on a special days like classified and some other pages. News schedule, so there is a proper, actually every newspaper has a proper news schedule, and just like on front page we will get all the topmost news, so related to any field like politically and national, international, and just like here I have given you topmost news, local news, state level news, national and international news. So means on first page, especially on front page, we will get just topmost news. Either in any particular field, topmost news are given on this page, and on second, third and then fourth. So in other pages we will get some local news, then some state level news, then some national and international news, and sports level news also we are getting on this newspaper on a proper schedule, and classified news is also given one day in a week in every newspaper. So in Times of India also we can get, and share market news, what is the market and in which condition about yesterday, so we can get all the news with the help of this newspaper. And internationally what is happening, like yesterday there was the oath ceremony of Joe Biden and as a president of America, and Kamala Harris as a vice president of America. So this is the topmost news in internationally. So in all the newspaper this news has been given as a topmost, and in Times of India any newspaper you will get, so this was the topmost news today. So according to next point, its printing and trustable news. Actually its printing is also very clear, and its news are also trustable. Actually in other many other newspapers in which sometimes we are not just trusting on news, and means those news are not so much trustable, but in this newspaper if you will get, and especially with which newspaper you will like, so definitely because of trust also you will like and you would like. So here colorful pictures on fifth point, so pictures are also colorful in this newspaper, and clear pictures we can get, every type of clear pictures we can get on this newspaper. And next point is job offers. So many types of job opportunities, job offers of different types of companies and government job offers we can get on this newspaper. So on a special day, one day in a week, we can get this opportunity, and which is very useful, especially for students, especially for youths who are searching jobs. So this is very helpful for them. And career level news, many types of career level news, like suppose we want to choose after just completing intermediate, if we want to go in different sectors, so which sector we have to select, we have to choose. So such type of discussions we can also get in this newspaper on a special day. And many times it happened, youths have some confusions on their career opportunities, on their offers in future. So what they should select. So in this newspaper also such type of discussions are given, and you can be confirmed on your career opportunity and your particular selection of career. So definitely this is very helpful for those type of youths, especially who are just in just not ready to confirm what is right for me according to my qualification after completing higher classes. So these type of discussions should be clear in this new can be clear with the help of this newspaper, and this is very helpful for this purpose also. And next at last, the very important thing, conclusion. And in conclusion, I think importance of newspaper, that's very important. And a newspaper is the cheapest one, in which advertisement has a big role, because all the newspapers are running because of advertisement charges, and hawkers are just providing it at our home, and without any higher cost, and in a very low cost it is provided at our home. So because its cost is very high, but within 56 rupees we can get newspaper at our home. So it means this is the cheapest one for just increasing our awareness, and for getting every type of awareness, every type of fields awareness, and for career and news awareness. So I think this is the cheapest one in this case. And newspapers are running because of advertisement, and advertisement has also a big role. So we can choose according to our own pocket money, according to our own facility. Many types of products ad we can get on newspapers, and we can select it. Nowadays in day by day, the electronic media is just getting the very important role in the place of print media. So newspaper is the very important part of print media. So electronic media is very active, and very fast, rapid news is given. But in present era also, newspaper is playing very important role, and because the description of the news we can get on newspaper, and in a well relaxed mode we can just go through newspaper. And in every type of people, I think it is very helpful to get news, any type of news. And in this competition period, I think newspaper is playing very important role among the society, and to aware the people, and fresh news and all the things are just very positive with the help of newspaper, I think, for everyone. And its trend will never end, I think, because of its importance. And in future also newspaper will be liked, and print media is a very important part of our life, and newspaper has a big role. And आप लोगों से लास्ट में मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो आप लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। थैंक यू।